Right now we are in the beginning parts of a glorious spring. Plants that were dormant and looked like they were completely dead and had not survived the very harsh, hard freezes we had, have shown signs of green leaves at the base. They might have been huge bushes and all that you can see are the green leaves at the base. But that is the power of spring, the new growth, the new beginning. Other plants that were covered during the hard freezes and protected as best as possible are in bloom, like those behind me. They're showing off. Yes, we made it. Well, we are part of nature. We have that same ability within us to revive, to come back to life, to sprout new growth. Even after big challenges in life, be they in your work, in your relationships, in your family life, in your health journey, there is this power within to revive, to come back to life, to spring forth. What can you do? How do you tap into that? First of all, to see yourself as part of nature, not separate from. Yes, you move. Yes, you have a brain and consciousness in a certain defined sense that perhaps plants and bushes and trees have in another way. But we still all have that power to come back to life, and in doing so, thrive. See yourself as part of nature. Be inspired by this fresh growth, the new beginnings, things that never seemed possible to come back after a harsh winter are coming back. One of our citrus trees lost most of its leaves. It's now bright green and it's covered with blooms. It's amazing. I thought we'd lost it. It's a beautiful Persian lime. So the same idea applies to you. Consider that that's an option, that's possible, that you too, like this Persian lime, comes back to life and not only is full of green leaves again, so that it can feed itself and go through all the process of living a plant life or a tree life, but also it's in bloom, so it's going to produce fruit. You can too. Just feel that power within that you can tap into and you can access by just feeling it. And allow it time and place and nurture it. I water the plants. You can water that new growth, the new abilities, new hair that comes through after chemo, new abilities, newness, freshness. You can be any age, it does not matter. Enjoy bringing yourself, like the spring, back to full bloom, full life.